was Axel with Tony there. I suppose that'd be a big thing for him because I think he used to be in the dressing room with his father all growing up when he was a young fella, so he was delighted to bring Tony on.
Probably didn't know what the whole day was about, but at least you can say he was there, you know. Like when you think back, Rog, and the fellas that had been on that journey, like Peter Cloistear, Nick Galway,
Dominic, KK,
Langford, Mikey.
There's a lot of people there, so we're not even thinking of half of them.
It was amazing, really, I think, after all the disappointments. Certainly, wasn't it, Paul?
Yeah.
So many disappointments over the years, and just the support we had, and I think just to realise we'd won at that stage was just out of this world.
If there was a right man to lift it, given that all those who went before him had now retired, he was definitely the man. There wasn't, you wouldn't even have another man on the list.